Hello all. I'm Usha of class 9th.
I am Vaishu of class 9.
We are really honored to celebrate the National Mathematics Day. So we are going to share our views about Ramanujan sir. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, India, a small village in the southern part of the country.
Shortly after this birth, his family moved to Kumbakonam, where his father worked as a clerk in a cloth shop.
Ramanujan contracted smallpox in 1889 but recovered from the potentially fatal disease. As a young child, he spent considerable time in his maternal grandparents' home.
He started his schooling in 1892. Initially, he did not like school. However, he soon started excelling in academics, especially mathematics.
He soon discovered a book on advanced trigonometry written by S.A. Loney, which he mastered by the time he was 13.
He proved to be a brilliant student and won several merit certificates and academic awards.
His interest and devotion to mathematics was to the point of obsession. He ignored everything else and would play with number day and night on a slate and in his mind.
His obsession and preoccupation with mathematics did not allow him to pass intermediate examination. In spite of 3 attempts, he could not even score the minimum passing marks in other subjects.
Despite being a prodigy in mathematics, Ramanujan did not have an auspicious start to his career. He obtained a scholarship to college in 1904, but he quickly lost it by failing a non-mathematical subject.
Another try at Madras also ended poorly. When he failed his first arts exam, it was around this time that he began his famous notebooks.
In year 1907, when Ramanujan started thinking of his career in mathematics, he was poor and had no formal education and desperately needed a benefactor.
It was Seshu Iyer, a professor at Presidency College, Madras, who suggested Ramanujan to write letters to GHRD, a member of the Royal Society, and lecture in mathematics at Cambridge.
He said that Hindu goddess Namagiri had appeared in one of his dreams.
Ramanujan had very little formal training in mathematics, and indeed large areas of mathematics were unknown to him.
Ramanujan then began sending his work to British mathematicians. His breakthrough arrived in 1913 when the Cambridge-based G.H. Hardy wrote back.
Impressed with Ramanujan's theorems and work related to infinite series, Hardy called him to London.
In 1914, Ramanujan arrived in Britain where Hardy got him into Trinity College, Cambridge.
In 1917, Ramanujan was elected to be a member of the London Mathematical Society.
In 1918, he also became a member of a Royal Society, becoming one of the youngest to achieve the feat.
His success in England notwithstanding, Ramanujan could not accustom to the country's diet and returned to India in 1919.
He died in 1920 at the age of 32 because he was mostly likely caused by hepatic amoebiasis caused by liver parasites.